PC building. Why is static electricity dangerous? Have you ever wondered why static electricity is such a hot topic in the world of PC building? Well, let's break it down. Static electricity can be a hidden threat when you are assembling or maintaining your gaming PC. It can lead to something called electrostatic discharge, or ESD for short. This discharge can damage or even destroy sensitive computer components. As you go about your day, activities like walking on carpet or rubbing against certain materials can cause your body to build up a static charge. When you touch a delicate component in your PC while carrying this charge, it can releases a sudden flow of electrons. This flow can fry the tiny circuits in parts like the central processing unit, graphics processing unit, random access memory, or motherboard chips. You might not even feel a shock, but that doesn't mean your components are safe. The damage caused by ESD can be sneaky. It may not show up right away, but it can lead to system instability, crashes, or even permanent hardware failure down the line. For gaming PCs, which often have high performance and expensive parts, this kind of damage can be both costly and frustrating. Certain components are more vulnerable than others. For example, complementary metal oxide semiconductor, chips, and integrated circuits operate at very low voltages. They can be disrupted or destroyed by even the smallest static discharges. So, protecting these parts is essential. To keep your gaming rig safe from static electricity, there are a few simple steps you can take. First, ground yourself by touching the metal case of your PC, which should be plugged in but powered off. This action helps dissipate any static charge you may have built up. Using anti-static wristbands is another great option. These wristbands connect to a grounded surface, ensuring that any static charge is safely redirected away from your components. Working on an anti-static mat is also a smart move. Avoid building your PC on carpeted floors, as they can increase the risk of static buildup. When handling components, always grip them by their edges. This practice minimizes the chance of touching sensitive circuits. Keeping parts in anti-static bags until you are ready to install them is another effective way to protect your investment. In summary, static electricity poses a real danger during PC building because it can silently damage critical parts through electrostatic discharge. Taking the right precautions is essential to ensure your gaming setup remains stable and high-performing for years to come.